What's up, guys? Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make hot sauce. Coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share recipes from our family and friends, and sometimes we just like to have fun. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get right into the video. Okay, and here's the ingredients. You have 2 green onions, you have a small tomato, and 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, 2 sprigs of fresh cilantro, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 4 or 5 jalapeños depending on the size. Then you have a half a cup of water and a half a cup of white distilled vinegar. And believe it or not, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna remove the seeds from about half of these peppers to reduce the heat of the sauce. The first time I did not, and it was so hot I couldn't hardly eat the sauce. The second time I took too many out, so this time I'm gonna take about half out. We'll just cut the ends off. Remember to either wear gloves or wash your hands thoroughly after handling peppers. Okay, the last time I did this, or the first time I should say, the first time I made some hot sauce, I actually used some peppers that I got out of one of my own plants, and it was awesome. This year I'm going to be growing a bunch of peppers because this is going to be my new favorite thing to make. Okay, now I'm just going to take the core out of this tomato. I'm going to cut it in half. And just be careful handling knives in the kitchen, of course. And I just cut a little V shape out to get the core. That's all you need to do, because once you get this done and get the seeds out of the peppers, if you want, you can leave all the seeds in the peppers. You're just going to have some really hot hot sauce. And if that's the way you like it, by all means, leave them in there. All you got to do now at this point is take your Ninja or blender, whatever you have. I do recommend a Ninja though. It seems to work extremely well. You just throw everything in there and puree it. Now I'm going to cut this in half or thirds. And if you need to, you can actually start blending it and then finish up. Start it up, get it down a little bit where you can get some more stuff in there, and then do it again. I'm actually going to go ahead and I think I can get everything in there, so I'm going to put my my water and my vinegar and my half a teaspoon of salt, and I already put my garlic in there. So my wife's not coming home till later, so that means I have plenty of time to do all this. Make sure you get this on tight, and this is sideways. I made that mistake once too. Make sure you get your thing together nice and tight, otherwise you will have hot sauce everywhere. This is going to be loud. Put this in. Okay, once you got everything in your blender, your Magic Bullet, I've used a Magic Bullet and I've used the Ninja. Personally, I like the Ninja better. It mixes everything so much better, especially the seeds. You can't even tell there's seeds in it when you get through with this thing. But this is going to be loud, so I'm going to play some music probably. Okay, so the last time I did this, I let my jalapenos turn red before I made the sauce. This time I left them green. Oh Lord. Oh. Got that on there tight. Oh my goodness. Oh man, that smells good. Oh, it smells so good. You can see that just that little amount of peppers, how much it makes. It makes a lot of pepper sauce. So, I mean, you can reduce this recipe in half or even a quarter. Just if you're just trying to taste, you know, different recipes and stuff. I ain't gonna lie, I've already tasted this, and this stuff is awesome. Oh man. Ooh. It's still pretty spicy. Just having half the seeds from those 4 jalapenos I put in there. Now, 2 of those were really big jalapenos. Man, the flavor is out of this world. I'm telling you what, this is my new favorite thing to do, make hot sauce. I'm telling you, you start making this hot sauce yourself, you can put whatever stuff you want in it. You're going to stop buying the store-bought stuff. You won't want none of that Texas Pete or crystals or Tabasco or any of that. Once you make your own, I promise you, you're gonna quit buying the store-bought stuff. Some of the best things about making your hot sauce is that you can eat it right away. You don't have to wait, like if you're pickling or canning something, you don't have to wait for a day or a couple of weeks or whatever it is. You can eat it right away. And another thing is you can just change up the ingredients. Put whatever kind of ingredients you want in there, whatever you like. Mix it up and try small batches until you find a recipe that you like. And then you can make bigger batches of it if you find one that you really, really like. And maybe your friends and family like it too. You can go ahead and make larger batches of it and share it. I've already bought a box of small jars to put pepper sauce or hot sauce in, so that I can share it with friends and family. I've only made, this was the 4th batch that I've made, and I love it. This is my new favorite thing. So I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did. If you, like I said, if you did, please share your recipes with us. I'd love to put one of your recipes up on the video and do a video of it. If that's something you want to do, just send it to me. Let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.